Crypto fam. Today, we're zooming in on a project that's quietly changing the game in the decentralized world. The graph, or GRT. Ever wonder what powers the data behind your favorite blockchain apps? That's the graph, and right now, it's cooking with huge updates and a chart with massive potential. Could this be the start of an 8x breakout? In this video, we'll unpack the latest news, like new tools, massive network growth, and even AI-powered upgrades, plus a technical setup that's screaming opportunity. If you're new to crypto, don't sweat it. I'll keep it simple and clear. By the end, you'll see why GRT might be your next big move. So, smash that like button if you're pumped to dive in, and let's get rolling. Alright, let's kick things off with the basics. Picture this. You're searching the internet, and Google's there to find everything for you. Now, imagine that for blockchains, that's the graph in a nutshell. It's like the search engine of the decentralized web, or Web3, helping apps on blockchains like Ethereum and Solana grab data fast. Without it, developers would be lost trying to build cool stuff like NFT marketplaces or DeFi platforms. Those are decentralized finance apps where you can trade or lend crypto. The graph's secret sauce is its token GRT, which keeps the whole system running smoothly. A tweet from July 14th sums it up perfectly. The graph serves data to all types of Web3 projects, NFTs, DeFi, governance, and beyond. It's the backbone of the future internet, and that's why it's a big deal. So, why is the graph gaining attention now? Simple. The decentralized web is exploding, and the graph is right in the middle of it. That same July 14th tweet said it powers everything from digital art to finance to blockchain voting systems. As more projects jump on board, the need for GRT grows too. But it's not just about today. 2025 has been a wild ride already. A July 11th post teased, the graph started with indexing. Now it's building what comes next. That's a hint at some serious growth. Think of it like this. If Web3 is a rocket, the graph is the fuel, and it's just getting started. Stick around, because the updates coming up are going to blow your mind and show why GRT could be a smart pick. Now, let's dive into the juicy news. First, there's the Token API. Version 4 just hit on July 17th. It's a tool for developers to grab token data, like transfers and prices, on chains like Solana and Avalanche. Imagine building a trading app with real-time prices from Uniswap v4. That's what this does. Then, on July 11th, they added 12 new networks, pushing their total past 90. That's huge. It means more blockchains, more data, more GRT in action. Plus, there's GeoGenesis, a Web3 browser in early access, turning the graph into a knowledge hub. And get this, GRT's going cross-chain soon, hitting Arbitrum, Base, and Solana. More chains, more staking, more potential. The graph isn't stopping there. On July 11th, they rolled out AI beta features, like the MCP, which connects AI to blockchain data. Soon, a graph assistant will let you ask for data in plain English, no coding needed. Imagine saying, "Show me token balances," and boom, it's there. That's next-level accessibility. Then there's Hypergraph, launched the same day, bringing privacy-first apps with encryption that syncs across devices. Think secure health apps or customer tools, all decentralized. And don't sleep on substreams. It's now on Solana, making data 10x faster. A July 23rd update added that it fixes Solana's data hiccups, saving developers headaches. This mix of AI, privacy, and speed? It's the graph flexing its muscles. Alright, time for the part you've been waiting for, the chart. We're looking at GRT USD on a 3-day time frame, and it's spicy. The price is hovering around 10 cents, but check this out. It's just broken out of a bull flag. That's a pattern where the price chills after a big move, then blasts off again, upward. The yellow lines show it clear as day. Since May 10th, the supertrend indicator's been green, meaning bullish vibes all the way. Now here's where it gets exciting. Fibonacci levels. Think of them as price goalposts. Point to targets at 17, 24, 35, 52, and 80 cents. That's an 8x jump from here. But heads up, the Heikin-Ashi RSI indicator is hinting at a possible dip first. If it holds at neutral, we're golden. This setup's got potential. Let's talk strategy next. So, what do you do with this? If you're already holding GRT, nice job on the breakout. Start eyeing those green circles, 17, 24, up to 80 cents. Maybe sell 20% at each spot to lock in gains, depending on how much risk you're cool with. Not in yet. Watch that green rectangle around 8 to 10 cents. It's a sweet buy zone if the price dips. But here's the key. Set a stop loss. That red dashed line at 7 cents? If we close below it weekly, the party's off until we see a nice opportunity again. As profits roll in, slide that stop up, a trailing stop, to keep your wins safe. Crypto's wild, so only toss in what you can afford to lose. This chart's your roadmap. Use it wisely. Look, I get it. Charts can feel like a foreign language if you're new. But here's why this matters. The graph isn't just a token. It's a cornerstone of the decentralized future. With AI, privacy tools, and 90-plus networks, it's solving real problems. Pair that with a chart showing an 8x upside, and you've got something worth watching. Crypto Yield Pro's all about giving you the edge, whether you're learning or trading. Knowledge is your superpower here. The graphs updates and this technical setup, they're your ticket to understanding where this market's headed. The graph stacking wins, new tools, AI, cross-chain moves, and a chart that's got me hyped. From powering Web3 to eyeing 80 cents, GRT's got legs. I hope this broke it down for you, whether you're a newbie or a trader. If it clicked, hit that like button. It fuels the channel and gets investors' attention. Drop a comment. What do you think of GRT? Any questions? I'm here. Not subscribed yet? Join the Crypto Yield Pro fam. Click that button. Oh, and for more on the graph, check our past videos linked on your screen. They'll level up your game. Stay sharp, stay curious, and let's keep winning together. Fam, this video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. See you tomorrow in the next one.